Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Hey you guys, it's Jose here, back again for another video. And what today I'm going to be doing is reacting to animals again. Like last video, I believe I reacted to animals mating, and today I'm going to be reacting to animals giving birth. So let's see how that goes. And to make the video a little bit more interesting, I'm going to put water in my mouth and like try not to spit. Oh my god, there's a freaking bug on my window. What the heck? What are you doing? Oh shit, it jumped. Oh my god. Let's get to it and hopefully this video goes good. Look at this one. This one looks pretty interesting. That already looks pretty gross right there. The sea lions, rhinoceros. Okay, let's watch it. Oh, forgot to put this in my mouth. Don't know what I'm watching, but I cannot keep that water in my mouth. That's pretty freaking gross.
Really, nigga?
Oh my god. I don't know why I did that. I purposely did that, but that was the stupidest thing I just did. That was so dumb of me to do, bro. That's all over my computer now. Look at this crap. It's bad. Don't know why I did that. The video was getting really weird. Like, especially the music in the background. It's like some freaking, I don't know what kind of instrument that was, but watching animals giving birth in that background music was just not matching up with me. Let me clean this mess up because I'm pretty stupid. Alright guys, I'm back. I look like a freaking baby. Wait, does the camera have water too? God, I really did squirt a lot. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and if you guys did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Seriously guys, it helps a lot. But next video that's gonna come up, it might be a reacting video or it might be a gaming video. I don't know. I for sure want to do like a Black Ops 2 zombie video, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna come up soon, I guess. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bro. What am I doing with my life?